Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wave reviews. We also dabble in a little bit of fitness, some girl talk, and you know, we just catch a vibe. So if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we're gonna be right back.
Second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, just blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you off, I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it does, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you, know you, know you, know you, know you what you want. Oh, what it does, put it in the song. Alright.
So welcome back. Today's unit was sent to me by Sensationnel. It is from their Butta lace collection. It's the human hair and premium fiber hair blend. It's in the style Blowout 16 in the color 2, and this is what the front of the stock card is looking like. It has human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement, virtually undetectable HD lace, blends in with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand-tied parting area, pre-plucked with baby hair along the hairline, natural and full maximum density. And this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like, and it does come in some other colors. Their Butta lace collection shows you the difference between a normal lace and their lace, so just keep that in mind. You guys, this unit was a plop and go. It was very easy and I am loving it. It's definitely given blowout vibes. I do think it's like a slight silk press, you know, because that's what it's looking like, a slight silk press. I wish it had a little bit more texture to it. But it does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. It is big hip friendly, and y'all, I did not have to do a lot with this unit. I used my Fenty foundation in the color 420 underneath the lace. I put it on my head. I cut the lace along the hairline as close as possible. I don't see any baby hairs, y'all. I think I might have cut them off, but I don't even recall seeing them, so I don't know. I can't confirm or deny that. But yes, I also went in with my Fenty contour stick in the color Espresso, and I just went in along the hairline to just darken up the lace. And then I used my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette along the hairline over here where my baby hairs kind of poke out, so it could just blend in more effortlessly and look like this wig is coming from my scalp. I really do like this wig. It's cute, it's simple, like you can wear it up, down to work. I'm about to go to dinner with my mom, so this is my outfit for today. It's giving, it's very much giving. I have a jumpsuit on, a long duster, and I'm gonna wear some cute sneakers to go with it. But yes, I'm loving it. I'm loving the face frame. I'm loving the curl pattern. I do like this unit. As far as I always say shingling. Like, why do I put tangling and shedding together as one word? As far as shedding and tangling, I have not experienced any of that. This is just excess hair from when I was cutting the lace. So yeah, this unit was a Plop and Go. It's glueless, completely glueless. And that's it, y'all. That is it. This unit does range on a few different websites between $35 and $45. Just keep that in mind. It is a little bit on the higher end on some websites, but I will have a Google link in the description box below. But let me know what y'all think in the comments below. This was a cute, easy, fun, quick video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.